Before we begin this journey together, I want to ask you something. Why did you start? Not just trading, anything. Why did you start learning a new skill? Why did you start going to the gym? Why did you tell yourself, this time will be different? I think most of us know the answer. We wanted a better life. We wanted freedom. We wanted to prove something, either to the world or to ourselves. But somewhere between the excitement of starting and the reality of doing the work, something changes. The excitement fades. Motivation disappears. We begin looking for shortcuts because discipline feels slow. We compare our first chapter to someone else's 100th. We scroll through social media and see people celebrating payouts, luxury cars, expensive setups, and perfect trades. What we don't see are the thousands of hours they spent failing before anyone noticed them. Success is loud. Practice is quiet. The market doesn't care how badly I want to win. It doesn't reward effort simply because effort exists. It rewards preparation. It rewards patience. It rewards people who can control themselves when everyone else is losing control. That's why I believe discipline is more valuable than talent. Talent might help you win today. Discipline gives you the chance to keep showing up tomorrow. Think about a building. Nobody walks past a completed skyscraper and says, "Look at the foundation." They admire the glass, the height, the design. But none of those things could exist without the part buried underground. Discipline is that foundation. It's invisible most of the time. No one applauds you for waking up early. No one celebrates the trade you didn't take. No one notices the hours you spend studying while others are sleeping. Those moments don't get likes. They don't go viral, but they shape the person you're becoming. I've realized something. Every decision is a vote. Every time I follow my trading plan, I'm voting for the disciplined trader I want to become. Every time I ignore my rules, I'm voting for the trader who lets emotions take control. My future isn't built in one massive decision. It's built through hundreds of small ones. The decision to be patient. The decision to stop after reaching my daily loss limit. The decision to review my mistakes instead of making excuses. The decision to wait for confirmation instead of chasing the market. None of these decisions feel extraordinary in the moment, but together, they create extraordinary results. That's why Project Titan isn't a challenge to become rich in 60 days. It's a challenge to become someone who deserves success. There's a difference. Money can come and go. A funded account can be won and lost. One great trade doesn't make a great trader, but character stays with you. If I become disciplined, I can rebuild after every setback. If I only chase money, every setback feels like the end. So before I place another trade, I want to build something stronger than confidence. I want to build trust. Trust in my process. Trust in my preparation. Trust that even when the results don't come immediately, the work is still moving me forward. Maybe that's the lesson we all need to hear. We don't rise to the level of our goals. We rise to the level of our habits. Every habit is a promise we make to our future selves. Today, I'm making one promise. For the next 60 days, I'll show up. Not because it's easy. Not because I'll always feel motivated. But because becoming the person I want to be requires consistency, not perfection. If you're watching this and you're chasing your own goal, whatever it is, I hope you'll join me. We don't need to become perfect tomorrow. We only need to become a little better than we were yesterday. That's where every great journey begins. This isn't just the beginning of Project Titan. It's the beginning of a new version of me. And maybe a new version of you too. I'll see you in the next chapter.